call against the election victory of PDP's Siminalayi Fubara. The court also dismissed appeals of candidates from the Allied People's Movement, Labour Party at their court party for being unmeritorious. Kemi Foladiemo reports.
Of the four appeals, Tonya Cole was said to be the most prominent, having emerged second with 95,274 votes, after Siminalayi Fubara, who was declared winner with 302,614 votes at the March polls. In October, a three-member panel of the Election Petition Tribunal had dismissed Mr. Cole's petition for lacking in merit on the grounds that he lacks the power to independently challenge Mr. Fubara's victory after his party, the APC, withdrew its petition. This grouse came first in the appellant's issues for determination. Justice Olabode Adegbeyigbe, in his lead judgment, held that the lower court acted in error, as the fact that the APC withdrew its petition doesn't prevent its candidate from pursuing his appeal.
So this was very, very significant. If we have done something for democracy as a whole, this judgment that has been overturned by the appeal court has affirmed that democracy, individual democracy, is critical, and I'm very happy with that. I'm happy that we got that done.
The tribunal nonetheless proceeded to consider the petition on the merit and dismissed it as if the APC was still a party to it. So I have no concern about that. And what the Court of Appeal did was to say, look, you were wrong, but then let us look at the facts. And when they look at the facts, they found that the judgment cannot be disturbed.
The appellant also raised more issues of alleged overvoting and other electoral malpractices, which he says the tribunal overlooked, as well as its, quote, wrongful admission of evidence and the striking out of certain paragraphs from his petition. But the Court of Appeal held that Mr. Cole didn't sufficiently prove those issues in line with the provisions of the Electoral Act on how he suffered a miscarriage of justice by the tribunal to merit an interference by the Superior Court.
This will put to rest all the ambiguities that people were thinking about. And I want to use this as an opportunity to appeal to our brothers, those who feel aggrieved, that they should join hands with the Executive Governor of Rivers State, Siminalayi Fubara, to build a great and veritable state.
We've heard from Mr. Tonya Cole as he has indicated readiness to proceed to the Apex Court for final adjudication of his matter here, though he adds that he will be reading the judgment in full to explore his chances, but he has given us a hint that he might be appealing.
Kemi Foladiemo, TVC News, Lagos.
A senior advocate of Nigeria